Good morning, online owls. This is your Friday assembly, January 22nd, 2021. Let's get started by moving and waking up.
What's up? We're gonna wake our bodies and our brains up with a good stretch. You ready? Let's get that neck rolling. And reverse. Other side. Reverse again. The other way. And once more. Now back to the left. All right, let's get some arm circles. Arm circles to the front. Come on. And reverse. Reverse. Don't forget to breathe. Get a good stretch forward. Forward. Reverse. Reverse. Get a good stretch. Good stretch. All right, we're going to cross our arms over our body. Feel the stretch in your back. Feel the stretch. Stretch it out. To the right. Very good. Now we're going to go down to the center and stretch our legs. Over to the side. To the side. The other side. To the other side. Back to the center. Stretch it out. To the side. To the side. Come on. The other side. To the other side. And a few more times. Stretch it out. You got this. Come on. Once more. To the side. To the other side. To the middle. All right, we're going to get a couple lunges to stretch the legs out here and warm up our leg muscles. We're doing lunges right now. Come on. Stretch those legs out. Down. Down. Come on. Stretch it out. Couple more, guys. Couple more lunges. You can do it. Come on. Stretch it out. All right, a few arm circles get loose. We're going to do some knee raises across our body. Here we go. Come on. Stretch it out. Come on. Switch. Lift up the knee. Lift it high. Let it meet your elbow. Switch. Come on. You got this. You were born to do this. Switch. Come on. Switch. That was a great stretch. Now you're ready to get back to class and do your thing. Fresh start, out.
Well, I have a few announcements today. The Trimester 2 District STEM Challenge is coming to an end. Please be sure to post your game or pictures of your game on the Padlet, and that's located in the STEM Challenge Google slide presentation. All these are due by February 5th. Just a little reminder about the Pyramid of Success. What block are you working on right now? And our next Spirit Day is Friday, February 12th. It's going to be Red Day. Wear something red to show your school spirit. Well, it's time to celebrate January birthdays. Take a look. Every grade has someone that has January birthday. We want to wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And finally, it's time for the Friday joke. Why didn't the quarter roll down the hill with the nickel? Because it had more sense. Have a great day of learning. Stay healthy and safe this weekend.